Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this smart band. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this smart band, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. Once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon to open the devices page, and on it you should see the Huawei Band 9. Tap on it to select it, and on the device page scroll down and find the watch faces category. If you don't see it, it could be because when you install the Huawei Health application for the first time, you had to select a region, service region, and you could have selected the region that doesn't support watch faces. The only thing I can think of to fix this is to basically reinstall the application and select a different region during the installation. For example, I selected United Kingdom and it's working fine. So once you see the watch faces category, tap on more. Here tap on mine to open the list of watch faces installed on your smart band. And as you can see here, we have the watch face called gallery. Tap on it to select it. If you see this pop up, tap on download. Let's wait until it's done downloading. And here we can customize our watch face. First, let's select the background. So tap on the plus button and you have two options, camera and gallery. If you want to take a picture with your camera and use it as a watch face, you can tap on camera option. It will open the camera app. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face. If you want to select a picture from your phone, select the gallery and allow the permission, and it will open the file manager and you can browse through the pictures. For example, I'm gonna tap on download and find a picture here. Let's say maybe this one. And once you select the picture, you will need to crop it because the whole picture won't fit on the watch face. And basically we can zoom in, zoom out, and we can move this frame. And whatever is gonna be in this frame is gonna be on our watch face. So crop the picture, tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we have our preview. We can tap on the top or bottom to select where the clock should be. Then we can tap on the check mark and we have the picture added. And you can add multiple images if you want to. So for example, we can tap gallery, download and select this one. And zoom out a little like this and tap on the check mark like that. And here we have multiple pictures now. Okay, and once you're done customizing the backgrounds, you can tap on save. It's gonna save and upload to your smart band. And once it's done, you will see the watch faces on your smart band. And if you have multiple pictures as a watch face, you can tap on the current one to basically cycle through them. Okay, and that's how you set an image as a watch face on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.